Enjoy! Open da 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 da. Wee da 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 da. Hi guys, I have so many Shopkins and I'm gonna show you this Shopkin fridge and you can put some. This is the freezer and it has stickers on the freezer, and this is green and this is gonna stay right here, and then I'm gonna press this button so the Shopkins won't fall, and then the Shopkins fall, and we're gonna put the apple blossom in here to stay in there nice and cold. There we go. And now we're gonna put Shopkins in here because this is falling out here, but it has to stay here because the eggies want to stay babbly here, because we are gonna put this here. This piece goes right over here. So let's find the eggies in the Shopkin. 1 eggie, 2 eggie, 3 eggie. And where's the other eggies? Let's find some eggies in the Shopkins. No eggies around here. Let's try to find something in here. Some eggies or some Shopkins. Let's put them back here. So let's put this over there. Both the Shopkins, we're just gonna find them. We'll see it's under the table, we know. And these holes go to the eggies to fit in them. Watch me. And they fit like this. But they don't fit like this. And you do it like this. It has this to move the Shopkin eggies. And let's put this scared one. It's scared. And this is happy. It looks the presents. And this is happy, like this one. He's the last one, and we're gonna get the eggies right, but we lost the other egg. We love it. We love this, right? And it has this on to move them like this. But we lost the other eggie. But let's put them like that. In the shop, in the freezer. This is the freezer ice cream machine, and we're gonna move this up like this, and we're gonna put one ice cream here to fit. Let's find the other ice creams in here. Is this an ice cream? Yeah. This one is an ice cream too, and this one. Where's the other ice creams? Here, this one, and this one. No ice creams here. Oh, there's one. These are all the ice creams, and this is the freezer, and we're gonna sing. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. So some Shopkins fit in there. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. And now I'm gonna close this one. Okay, now I'm gonna put the Shopkins on top of this roof. This is Popsicle. I'm gonna put it beside whipped cream. The last one, now people can buy them. Now let's put some other Shopkins in this Shopkin fridge. Well, let's put this pancake and this one. very sparkly, but it's glittery. It's not sparkly, but the pancake's sparkly. And this is Peasy Peas. It's green, but it's peas are also green. And this is, and at the back is Shopkins because we have tablets with the Peasy Peas on our tab. Now I'm gonna put Peasy Peas over there at the Shopkin fridge, but it doesn't say. But we're gonna leave it like that. And this is food, exactly food. And this one is food, but it stays. And this one is gonna stay. Oops, the ketchup is full. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. And now they're nice and cozy. And now we're gonna put the other Shopkin, but the lamp don't stay in the Shopkin fridge. And I show some stickers of the eggies there, but it's not food. Yeah, but it is food and it has yellow. And this is the juice because da 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 da. Da 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 This one is open. I hope you watch this pretty Shopkins. Bye. For more videos, go to our channel and subscribe.